Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your ArchVision subscription. So if you have taken any subscription on this platform, so how you can cancel. Basically ArchVision is a very popular platform, as you know. So to cancel your subscription you need to visit on the official website and you need to log in into your account. Okay, and once you logged in into your account you need to tap on your profile icon, and once you tap on your profile icon you will see this kind of drop down menu. You need to select my subscription option, and when you select my subscription option you will see your all active subscription on this dashboard. And which subscription you want to cancel, you need to select view button, and there are all the list of your active, current, pause, each and everything is there related to your subscription. Now you need to tap on view, and once you tap on view you will see this kind of window, and on this window you can cancel your subscription very easily. Okay, and you just need to follow some prompts and you can cancel your subscription. If you want to reactivate your subscription you can follow the same method and you can easily reactivate your subscription. Okay, so this is the method by which you can cancel your ArchVision subscription. Now if you have any other issue you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.